Hello A plus traders, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to look at some market structures ahead of the week. I'm going to share with you my trading forecast for this week. The focus will be on gold, pound, dollar and Bitcoin. These are the trade I'm looking at to build positions on this week, and I'm here to share this trade setup with you and also give you reasons, both technical and fundamental reasons, why I'm looking at trading this currency pairs this week. But before we start the business of the day, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, do that right now. It won't take you up to 5 seconds to do that. Check below this video, just hit on the subscribe button, then turn off the notification bell, so anytime I publish a new video you will be notified. Okay, so I guess you have done that right now. Let's look at the fundamentals for the week. So these are the major fundamental events we have for this week. The focus is on pound. Today is Monday, already 13, so that has been done. So we look at Tuesday, consumer price index on dollar, gross domestic product on pound, and okay, this is the interest rate decision here on JPY and on CAD too, on Canadian dollar. You can see the forecast interest rates may not be cut, it may stay unchanged. So if that should happen, things will go smoothly as we plan. We have also employment change and unemployment rate for AUD, ECB rate 2, that is on Thursday. Then retail sales dollar on Thursday, building permits Friday for dollar 2. So these are the major fundamentals: ECB, that is euro, AUD, CAD, yen. So this is the focus this week for fundamental. Alright, so let's jump on to the charts. We start with gold. Alright, nice gold. Okay, it's been a long time. Alright, so this is the structure we have on gold. It's an expanding triangle forming close to the top. The all-time highs on gold is the 1900 zone. This zone here, this is where we have the all-time high. So we have the structure here, and I'm bearish. I want to see price drop to this level, back to this level, the 1675 level, this level here. I want to see price back there, but as you can see, this is where price is. It's actually broken above this nice trend line here. So let's jump onto my entry time frame and see what price is doing down there. Okay, this is what we have. This is the 4-hour time frame. We see price pushing nicely. You see price pushing nicely, respecting that trend line. So once we get a break from this trend line, break retest, then we sell to the downside. But it's not yet time to sell. This looks like more like a correction, so one more leg to the upside, then drop, or we can see price dropping from here at once. So that is my projection on gold for the next 2 weeks. Bearish on gold for the next 2 weeks. May see that one more push up 1900, then we see that crash to the downside. Next on my list is euro JPY. We start from the daily. This is the structure we are having on euro JPY. We got this huge impulsive move, then a decline. So we want to see a bigger or a deeper correction. We want to see this correction happening, this A, B, C, then price continue pushing to the upside. So we want to see this bigger correction. then price continue pushing to the upside. So for this week, I'm looking for selling opportunities on Euro JPY. Let's rush down to my entry time frame. Alright, so this is the entry time frame. This, we are having this channel up here. So this is the channel we have up here. Want to see price back at this level, get a rejection or bearish impulse from there, we sell to the downside. So don't sell at the current market price. Wait for price to tag this top, then we get a rejection from there or bearish impulse from there, we sell back to 121.00. If price breaks and keep pushing down, we continue to 119.00 before we start looking for the bigger buying opportunity. So this week's on Euro JPY, sell. We want to sell. Okay, I believe you understand that. Another pair on my list is Euro Swiss francs. Last 2 weeks we took a short sell. Let's start from the daily. Yeah, this is the daily. Remember, I showed you this move. Price broke up. I also showed you this move. Also, price is breaking up at the moment. So last 2 weeks we were looking for a short sell on the 2-hour time frame. We were selling from here. Here we sold. Price corrected. We sold again, and we got the bounce off from this level. Price is already here. Price has broken this lovely ending diagonal, and so it's up here. What we want to see correction. We want to see price correcting, then continue pushing up. So don't buy at the current market price. Let's have that discount price. Let's go to the 2-hour time frame. Let's see if we can have a clear price action. 1 hour. Let's look at 1 hour. Alright, price is already trying to give us a correction here. So this is what you should be looking for. Want to see price correcting, a correction, then breakout. So we buy and continue to the upside. If you don't have that, wait for price to tag this zone again, the 1.062 zone. When price tags that zone, give us a lovely bullish impulse from there or projection, we buy to the upside. So going back to the 4-hour right now, back to the 4-hour time frame. So okay, wow, this is lovely then. So you want to see price push back up to this highs. Here is your target. Here is your long-term target. If you don't get that, wait for price to tag this bottom, then push up. That is for Euro Swiss francs. Now let's look at pound dollar. We start from the daily. Okay, I'm seeing an expanding triangle. Let me just plot this out for you guys at once, since I'm also seeing this right now. Okay, price may do this. Price may work miracle like this. Okay, so this is an expanding triangle here on the daily time frame, actually playing out nicely. Price have made this move. We want to see complete this, then keep pushing higher for long term. But for this week, I'm looking for selling opportunities. Already you see price, it's for the past 2 days, last week rather, price has been unable to break above 1.2693. So I want to see price moving from this level to 1.22, this level. So let's go to the entry time frame for our time frame and see what is happening down there. Okay, this trend line is very lovely. Alright, so we want to see price break this trend line and keep pushing down or tag 1.26 2693, then drop. Selling from here will be awesome, will be amazing. Selling from there. So if you know you're going to be busy, you won't have time to look at the charts, you can set a pending order, a sell limit order at 1.2693. Stop loss will be at least few pips away from there. Place your stop loss there and let it run back down to these lows here, 1.24, 1.23 zone. These are your target areas. So that is for pound dollar. Let's look at Bitcoin. Everybody is crazy about crypto, so let's look at Bitcoin, BTC USD. Start from the daily. Okay, right, so here is what price has been doing. This push up, and it has been struggling around here, around the 10,000 price zone. Price has been struggling, and if you should look at from June, beginning of June, that is from here, so many drawings from here. If you look at this price action here, that is from June, price has been correcting. This is a correction that will give rise to the next leg upwards, but we don't want to. We are not buying this week. We are not looking for buying opportunities this week. We want to sell this week. I'm selling this week. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Here's the 4-hour time frame. You see price is respecting this trend line. See this trend line I drew on the higher time frame? Price is respecting that, because I have seen an impulse down here. Look at this impulse. This is what we call an impulse. Big body candles, large candles. This is an impulse, and this is a corrective move. Look at this. Let me show you this. This is it. This is a corrective move. Can I use straight line? Yes, I can. Yes, I can use straight lines. I'm going all crazy today, okay? Alright, so this is it. Let me use straight lines to do that. So that is it. That is a corrective move. Price rejecting the straight lines after an impulsive move, correction. A, B, C. We want to see it drop again. Simple, bah? It's as simple as that. Alright, let's see the lower time frame. Let's say 2 hours. Let's get a clearer picture. Wow, this is nice. It's nice, isn't it? Isn't it nice? Isn't it nice? So this is it. Impulsive moves from here. Then we get that correction. Then we want to see another drop. So I'm bearish on Bitcoin. Bearish on Bitcoin. I want to see it back to 8,900 zone. That is here. Here your targets here and here. These are targets. These are targets. All these areas are your target areas. So sell Bitcoin. Sell the Bitcoin. But also this might play out. Price drops. Tag this smaller trend line here. This other trend line. Push up again. One more push up. One more push up. So you can sell from here. If you get that rejection from there or bearish impulse from there, you sell from there and let it drop to the downside. But if price breaks through, you still let it run to the downside. So these are my top picks for this week. Get into it. May run till next week. Okay, I'm a swing trader, so I may keep holding and let it run till next week. These 5 pairs are the pairs I'm looking to trade this week. I'm not looking, my eyes are not on any other pair except this 5 currency pairs. Okay, gold, euro JPY, euro Swiss francs, pound dollar, and Bitcoin. Alright, thank you guys for having me. I believe you have learned a thing or two from this video. If you have learned something from this video and if you have benefited from this video, hit the like button below this video. But if you have questions, further questions, comment below this video I'll attend to you. And also share these videos with your friends. Share it on WhatsApp, on YouTube, Telegram, Facebook, everywhere. Just share this video with your people. Let them also benefit from this video. Let them also learn from this video. Share it as far as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, A Plus Trading Hub. Okay, wish you more pips this week. Bye bye.